All right, check it out. Shakes the whole bike. So I got it mounted down on the handlebar between the pad. Cool part is, perfect viewing angle. If you get up on the bike, boom, have the maps up. Boom, there's my tracks on the handlebars. I can even adjust it, go sideways with it if I wanted to. And then what else is cool is, if I'm not using it, I could just pop the whole thing off the ball. The ball just sits there because it's clamped on. Pretty sick!